Hi, it's Alice, and I'm back with one last video showing you my program for trade ideas and some of the strategies that I use. Today was a great day. Yesterday we were looking at what some of the biggest gainers and biggest losers were for the day and deciding on positions based on that data. We decided on ALDR for the biggest gainers and MEI for the biggest losers. Let's see how they did. If we look at ALDR, they had a great up day yesterday. The problem was that they opened well below their previous close. If that happens, I think that that's a signal that it's not going to be a great day, so we stayed out of this one. Let's go look at MEI. MEI had a big down day yesterday, and what was great is it followed course today. It opened at 35.44 and it went to a low of 32.80. That was a great trade. Let's look at some of the other strategies that we use today. One of the ones that I like to do is the large move up, open down. So if we look at this window here, again between 9:35 and 9:41, we can see a stock here, VNR. They made a large move up and they had opened down 4%. So let's look at them at 9:41. Oops, not the dailies, but the 1 minutes. If we go back to 9:41 here, we can see that indeed at 9:41 they had a very large move up. And if we had gotten in here at 16.24, let's see if we could have ridden this down to 15.24. Yep, it took a little while, but it certainly did work. That was a great move. What are some of the other ones that are good? I like to use these big new high stocks that travel up $1 in less than 15 minutes. Again, let's look at these at the even hour and at 30 minutes after the hour. Let's look at 2:30. Oh, 2:30 DGLY. They made a new high. They were up 24% for the day. Let's see what would have happened there. So if we look at them at 2:30, this would have been great if we had gotten them, let's say, at 17:10. Let's see if we could have ridden this down to 16:10. And yep, we would have gotten that by 3:30. That would have been a great trade. Let's go back and look earlier in the day. And let's look at around 2 o'clock. And we see blue making new highs. Let's see what would have happened there. Yep, right here we would have seen that it had really reached its high for the day, 91.77. And if we had gone short here, let's say at 91.75, let's see if we could have gotten down. Whoops, we could have taken this all the way down to 89.75. That would have been great. There was one other one that I did do earlier in the day that was great. And that was at 10:30. right around 10:30 or a little bit before, I saw that Nu Skin, NUS, was making a new high. 10:30 is a great time, so let's look at Nu Skin at 10:30. This one was great. I got in here right around 43.40, and I rode this all the way down to 41.40. That was a very good trade. The last one I want to look at are the big new lows down $1. And again, if we look at these at the even hours and the half hours, I think we'll find good positions. I think if we look here right around 11:30, there was a stock making a new low. SSTK was down 14%. So let's take a look at that. Ah, yes, SSTK at 11:30, or just before, made a new low. So if we got in right here, let's say at 59.55, we could have taken this up to 60.55, even 61.55. That was a great trade. So those are some of the strategies that worked well today. I hope that you've enjoyed these videos that I've created showing you all the wonderful things that you can do with Trade Ideas and this program. Thanks for watching.